Imagine sinking your teeth into a sweet and savory masterpiece that's about to become your new favorite dessert. Camille's Crepes has just won the top spot in the Fairest of them all sweet category at the Eastern Idaho State Fair with their show-stopping Peachy Keen, and we can't get enough of it. But here's where it gets interesting. This award-winning treat is not just a delicious combination of flavors. It's also a carefully crafted experience that will leave you wanting more. And this is the part most people miss. The story behind the creation of Peachy Keen is just as fascinating as the dish itself. We had the chance to speak with Camille Gilbert, the owner of Camille's Crepes, and she walked us through the process of creating this mouth-watering dessert. It all starts with a freshly made crepe, cut into long strips and placed into a bowl. Then, fresh peaches that have been chopped and soaked in passion fruit juice the day before are added on top. But that's not all. A drizzle of sweet cream is poured over the peaches, and the whole thing is crowned with a generous helping of whipped cream. The result is a perfect balance of flavors and textures that will leave you in awe. Gilbert's inspiration for this dish is simple yet brilliant. She wanted to capture the essence of a fresh peach as summer gives way to fall. And let's be honest, who doesn't love the taste of a juicy peach on a warm summer day? The peaches in Peachy Keen are incredibly fresh and bursting with flavor, while the crepes provide a savory element that prevents the dish from becoming too sweet. The cream is the perfect finishing touch, tying everything together in a beautiful bow. But what really sets Peachy Keen apart is its temperature. It's not too cold, but just cool enough to provide a refreshing respite from the summer heat as you walk through the fairgrounds. And if you're looking for more delicious options, Camille's Crepes also place second in the best new entree category with their Monte Cristo. So what do you think? Are you ready to try the Peachy Keen and experience the magic of Camille's Crepes for yourself? The Eastern Idaho State Fair is still going strong until September 6th, and Camille's Crepes is conveniently located on the east side of the fair near the Harvest Plaza or the Highway Gate entrance. Don't miss out on the opportunity to taste the best new dessert of the year. But here's the question. What makes a dessert truly award-worthy? Is it the combination of flavors, the presentation, or something else entirely? Let us know in the comments. And if you're feeling adventurous, be sure to check out some of the other amazing food options at the fair, like Morales Homemade, the Prime Steer, Mexican Crazy Corn, and Sweet Temptations. Each of these vendors is bringing their own unique twist to the table, and you won't want to miss out on the fun. So go ahead and indulge in the Peachy Keen. Your taste buds will thank you.